In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transcribe your YouTube videos for free. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to connect and grow with video. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays to help you grow your YouTube channel and your YouTube business. Now, transcriptions are a great way to help you rank your YouTube videos. It gives YouTube more information about what is on your video called metadata. So it reads the transcription, sees what words you're on your videos, and that helps YouTube know where to put your content. So if you're using your videos for business, then it is a very good idea to transcribe your videos so YouTube can help put you in the right place. So you want to transcribe your YouTube videos and add subtitles for free. So let's jump in. So I'm going to use a mobile app called Otter. So you can download this from Google Play or the App Store. So once you have it installed and you've got your account set up, open that up. So what I can do is I can use Otter to transcribe any of my videos and then take that transcription and add it to my video. So what I need to do is to click on the little microphone on the bottom right of the app, then put that beside the speaker where my video is playing and then let it transcribe. So here is my video. I'm going to put this beside it. Then I'm going to make sure I'm all the way back to the beginning of the video and then start recording. Hi there, David Walsh here, and I want to wish you and yours a very happy Christmas. I personally want to thank you for your support throughout the year. Okay, so Otter has transcribed our video and sent it to our account. So here I am on my account on otter.ai. Then I can see here my note is ready. So I click on that and then I see all my text here. So all I need to do is to just copy this. Then I go to my video on YouTube and go to subtitles on the left hand side. So I'm going to add my language here, so I can add another language even though there's one there. So I'm going to add English from Ireland, and why not? Click on add there, and then I click on transcribe and auto sync. So now all I need to do is to paste in my text from Otter. So now all I need to do is to click on set timings. Now YouTube will take my text, it will look at where my words go in the video, and then it will automatically set up those words in sync with my video. So I give it a few minutes, give it time to sync it, click on the settings and timing icon here. It then opens them up here, and if I want to, I can edit this. And if you want to see how to edit your subtitles, the link is in the description below, where I've done a full video on how to do that. Once you're happy with all of these, then click on publish. And now we've got both English from Ireland and English from the UK on my subtitles. So if I click here, you can see you've got two. Hi there. And if I want to select in between, there I've got my second option for English from Ireland. And when you're all done, then click on Return to YouTube Studio. Now you're able to transcribe your videos for free. How are you going to use these on your videos? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know how you're going to use it. And if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays to help you grow your YouTube channel and your business. Also as well, make sure to watch one of these amazing videos right here that helps you grow your YouTube channel.